Obviously, to access the roof, we need a full scaffolding, working platform and handrail all the way around to keep it safe. So here we've installed an Alcaplan roof membrane. This is built up with some ply, 18mm ply sheet, I think around 400mm of insulation, and then the membrane on top. These Renulit bars have been welded on prior to install, and then we've got the Renusol bars provided by them that we fit on top of the Alcaplan rails. With the 450 Canadian solar, with a S1000 optimizer, a 2-to-1 system. Ez is just doing the final containment, cutting the lids on the clips to protect the cables from the sunlight.
What was one of the challenging factors of the solar install?
So one of the main challenging factors of this install was the design of the roof.
The architects designed it like a ship.
As you can see, it's a curved roof, so we've had to fit the solar panel to come around with the roof, and we had to crank the panels there. As you can see, we had to open the spaces up so it flowed nicely all the way around.
And the next one is the access on site. There's not much access on site. There's no loading bays available, so the telehandlers had to lift all the equipment over and offload it themselves.
It's very important that we work closely with the design team so they can then see the challenges that we come across on site. It was especially hard to design for our design team as it is a curved roof, and to make it all flow through correctly. I think they've done a great job. We actually came and marked the Renulit bars out for BD Roofing to install them prior to our install. So this install had to be done in 2 phases. So this side's finished now. So the scaffolding can dismantle the scaffolding and they can carry on with the big build.
Hi, I'm Dave Jessup, Marshall Construction Project Manager. I'm in charge of the Overgate Big Build, where we've just finished installing half of the PVs. Well, from start to finish, from the procurement of the PVs and for James being on site helping us set out, the guys on site working professionally, safely. It's been an absolute pleasure to work with these guys, and we're looking forward to phase 2, where we'll obviously have the same repeat of excellence.
So once the PV modules are installed, we go across the system on all the mounting clamps with a torque wrench to make sure they're torqued to the settings of the manufacturer's standards. So this is a new build site and it's controlled by Marshall's Construction, so we're working under them. But the main thing we do is wear as full PPE, as hard as IVs and as boots, and make sure we're all working safely. Right.